Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this crochet stage. It's suited for blankets, for baby blankets, or any other project that you want to use it for. This is how it looks on the back. It's made with two colors. Of course, you can use as many colors as you want, or just stick with one color if this is what you need. Let's get started. For this project, we are going to use a long hook or a Tunisian hook, and we will start our work with a slip knot. And we will chain multiple of 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have now 20, and I will make another one to have 21. We'll start our first row by making one loop into this first stitch. Yarn over, and into the same loop we will make another loop. So into this first stitch we have 2 loops and 1 yarn over, so in total 3 loops. We will skip the next stitch and go into the second one and do the same. So here we will make a loop, yarn over, and we have the second loop. Again, we will skip the next one and work into the second one. One loop, yarn over, and a second loop. And we will continue in this exact same way until we reach the end. I am at the end of this row. This is how it looks so far. And for the last stitch, we will not skip one this time. We will go into the next one, which is the last one, and make one loop. So our first round is completed, and we will start the second one. So for this we will chain one, and we will grab the yarn next and pull it through this first stitch and the other 3 loops that we have here. So grab the yarn and pull it through the next 4 loops in our case, like this. Chain one, and again grab the yarn and pull it through this first loop and through the next 3. Chain one, and again take the yarn and pull it through the next 4 loops. Chain one and pull through 4. And we will continue in the same way. Here we'll chain one and grab the yarn and pull through these last 2. So we should have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these motifs plus the edge stitches. And between these motifs we have one chain space. So here we will skip this little space at the beginning and go into this one and do the same repeat of this motif. So we will go and make a loop, yarn over, and another loop. And we will do the same in each of these spaces. Until we reach here. We should have a total of 9 repeats. I am now at the end of this round, of this row, and here we will skip this space at the end and we will go into this edge stitch and make a loop like this. Again, we will chain one. We will grab the yarn and pull through this stitch and the next 3, so in total 4. Chain one and again grab the yarn and pull it through the next 4. So chain one and pull through the remaining 2. And we will make these exact steps for our entire pattern basically. So here we will not skip this first space and we will work 3 loops here. 1 yarn over and second one, so we have 3 in total. Again do the same in the next one. Now we will go into this space and make a loop, yarn over and make a second loop. And we will end by going into this edge stitch and make a loop here. Chain one and next grab the yarn and pull it through sets of 4 loops until we reach the end, plus chain one after grabbing the yarn and pull it through 4 loops. Okay, so I have here my second color and we will join it in this way. We will go through these 2 loops and we will join it. We will pull it through like this and we will slip the other one from below and we will make here a knot just to secure the work a bit. It's a very loose knot just to secure it. So now with the new color we will skip this first little loop here, and we will go into this space and do the same. So here at the end we will go into this edge stitch and we will make a loop, chain one, and grab the yarn and pull it through the next 4 loops. Chain one, grab the yarn and pull it through the next 4 loops. And so on until we reach the end of this row. Here we will chain one and pull the yarn through the remaining 2. So we will continue to work in the same way. This is how it looks on the back, our work so far. And we will continue to make 2 more of these color, 2 more rows of this color. So we have 3 as the other color here, and we will switch the initial color at that point. So I am now at the end of this row. I will chain one and pull the yarn through the remaining 2. It's time to switch colors and join the first one. So we will go through these 2 loops, and with this yarn in the right side and this one in the left side, we will bring this one here and we will slip the other one so we can have it here secured. And we will continue this round in the same way, but we will work it with this other color. So we will work here into this space. We will make our 3 loops, and continue to work in the same way of switching colors, or bring a third color if you want, until you reach the desired length of your work. As you can see, I have alternated the colors few times for this square, and now I have to chain one and grab the yarn and pull through the remaining 2, and I will make the final edge for this square. I will close the work with slip stitching. So we will go into this loop, the one that brings together these three loops. So we will go here and make a slip stitch, and we will go into this space and again make a slip stitch, and we will do this repeat across our entire row until we reach the end. So one time we will make the slip stitch into this space, and the second time into this loop until we get here. So I am here on this last loop and I will make a slip stitch, and the last one will be made in this edge stitch the same way. Chain one, and we can cut both yarns at this point. This is how it looks, our final project, and this is how it looks on the back. Of course, you can make any other edge if you wish. I made this one in order to be the same as the one that we have started our work with. Happy crocheting!